Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking to you about Good Wallet. This is one of the mining apps that you are able to transfer the funds. Yes, the transfer is already activated. So once you come here, you tap on claim. Once you tap on claim, and then you check the time that you have left. If the time is up to 00, you'll be able to claim instantly. So basically, once you come here, this is the next time to claim. My network is a little bit down, so once I tap on it and I have time, you can check over here. I have 3 hours more to wait until I get the next claim. So if you can check here, the active claims shows over here that there's an interest of 5.5 million, and today's distribution alone is 2.1 million, and the active claimers 48.3 thousand people are already using this app. So it is up to you to decide. One wonderful thing is that this is a 2-in-1 claim. So the first part is that if you check here, you'd realize that there's one called Cello. So when I want to choose Cello, I tap here, and then there's another token called Fuse. So it is two, just that it comes in two different networks. So one is on the Cello and one is on the Fuse. This same G token is on two networks. And so when you have this app, you are able to mine all two of them. Now if you check here, you realize that there are two balances. The balance here is 2. This one says Cello in Cello and this one is in Fuse. And then when you check here, there's an arrow to switch here. Even though you can use this arrow to convert one from one to another, but the claiming is where I'm talking to you about. If you check this first one, this one is deeper than this. So this one is deeper because this is what, if I tap on the claim now, I am going to be claiming the deeper one. So after I have claimed the deeper one, then I come to tap on this switch. I tap on this switch button, which will switch it from Cello to Fuse. So I will do it for you to see. When I tap on this, you realize that the boldness now switches from the Cello. The boldness now switches from the Cello to this. And then over here we can see that now we are going to claim for Fuse. Over there, you can now see that you are going to claim for Fuse. So once then I will also tap on this claim, and then it will also claim the Fuse for me. And what I told you is that with this app, this one also I need 3 hours more, so I have to wait for 3 hours. And then what I was telling you was that with this you can send. The sending is already activated. And there's one wonderful good news here. I'm going to show you this very quickly. So when you scroll down here, it says that invite a friend, I get 1000 G token for every friend that I invite, and my friend is also going to get 500. So whilst you tap on the you use the referral link that I'm posting now for you, you get 500 G for instantly as a welcome bonus. Now if you check here, the kind of invite tokens that I have received, this is where I want you to look at. Check here. You realize that all of these ones are green. All of these are green, but there's one which is in red. Look here. So this one is in green, this one is in green, but this one is in red because I transferred this from my account, from this account into my OKX account. Yes. The wonderful part of this app is that this G, once you get it, you can transfer it from here to your wallet. And once you get it into your wallet, you change it because it hasn't gotten any price now. You swap it to Cello. Cello has a price now. Cello is already having price. Cello token. Once you get it into Cello tokens, and it has a price, that is where you go. you are ready to enjoy. You can then swap it for USDT or whatever Bitcoin, whatever coin you have. So this one is a cool chop for you. Yes, there's no need to delay at all. Join this one and start claiming, and then you are able to transfer into your Binance, into your OKX, into your budget, and a whole lot. Enjoy from here. Bye bye.